Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace RAM on any MacBooks or MacBook Pros that were created after October of 2008. So any MacBook Pros without a removable battery. The first thing we have to do is power on the computer and remove the 10 screws on the bottom with a 2mm Phillips head screwdriver or regular screwdriver. The lid will now easily come off. In the middle of the computer, you will see the RAM. It's being held in with two plastic hooks. Using two hands, push the hooks to the sides of the computer, and the RAM will pop up. It doesn't take much force to pull the RAM out of the computer. If at first the RAM doesn't come up, try pushing the hooks again. The procedure used to put new RAM in is similar to the way you took it out. Taking the stick and making sure that you have the pins aligned, slide the bottom of the RAM into its place and push the RAM back down into the computer until you see the plastic hooks snap onto it. If done right, you should not be able to see the gold pins on the RAM stick. Making sure that the cover is securely placed on the computer, you can replace all 10 screws that you've taken out. Thank you for watching.